This article is about the unit of mass. For the unit of force, see pound force. For the unit of volume, see fluid ounce. For all other uses, see ounce. An ounce is usually the international avoirdupois ounce as used in the United States customary and British imperial systems, which is equal to 1/16 of a pound or approximately 28 grams. However, other definitions of ounce are used in a number of different measurement systems. The abbreviation oz derives from the Italian word onza. Etymology: ounce derives from Latin uncia, a unit that was 1/12 of the Roman pound. Ounce was borrowed twice, first into Old English as insan or einzahn from an unattested Vulgar Latin form with ts for c before I, and second into Middle English through Anglo-Norman and Middle French. Inch comes from the same Latin word, but differs because it was borrowed into Old English and underwent I-mutation or umlaut and palatalization. Definitions: historically, in different parts of the world, at different points in time, and for different applications, the ounce has referred to broadly similar but different standards of mass. Currently in use, International Avoirdupois ounce. The avoirdupois ounce is the most commonly used ounce today. It is defined to be 1/16 of an avoirdupois pound. The avoirdupois pound is defined as 7,000 grains. 1 ounce is therefore equal to 437.5 grains. In the International Yard and Pound Agreement of 1959, the United States and countries of the Commonwealth of Nations agreed to define the international avoirdupois ounce to be exactly 0.4535923 a kg by definition. The ounce is commonly used as a unit of mass in the United States. On January 1, 2000, it ceased to be a legal unit of measure within the United Kingdom for economic, health, safety or administrative purposes. International troy ounce: a troy ounce is equal to 480 grains. Consequently, the international troy ounce is equal to exactly 31.10346768 grams. There are 12 troy ounces in the now obsolete troy pound. Today, the troy ounce is used only to express the mass of precious metals such as gold, platinum, palladium, rhodium or silver. Bullion coins are the most common products produced and marketed in troy ounces, but precious metal bars also exist in gram and kilogram sizes. For historical measurement of gold, a fine ounce is a troy ounce of pure gold content in a gold bar, computed as fineness multiplied by gross weight. A standard ounce is a troy ounce of 22-karat gold, 91.66% pure. In modern day, an ounce of gold is referred as a 99.99% pure gold piece or gold grains. Metric ounces: the unit metric ounce is 25 grams and 20 make the metric pound of 500 grams. Some countries have redefined their ounces in the metric system. For example, the German Apothecaries ounce of 30 grams, is very close to the previously widespread Nuremberg ounce, but the divisions and multiples come out in metric. In 1820, the Dutch redefined their ounce as 100 grams. Dutch amendments to the metric system, such as an onza 100 grams, has been inherited, adopted, and taught in Indonesia beginning in elementary school. It is also listed as standard usage in Indonesia's National Dictionary, the Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, and the government's official Elementary Euros school curriculum. Historical: Apothecaries ounce. The obsolete Apothecaries ounce equivalent to the troy ounce, was formerly used by apothecaries. Maria Theresa ounce. Maria Theresa ounce was once introduced in Ethiopia and some European countries, which was equal to the weight of 1 Maria Theresa thala, or 28.0668 grams. Both the weight and the value are the definition of 1 birr, still in use in present-day Ethiopia and formerly in Eritrea. Spanish ounce. The Spanish pound was 460 g. The Spanish ounce was 1/16 of a pound, that is 28.75 g. Ounce force. An ounce force is 1/16 of a pound force, or 0.2780139 newtons. The ounce in ounce force is equivalent to an avoirdupois ounce. Ounce force is a measurement of force using avoirdupois ounces. However, It is not necessary to identify it as such or to differentiate it in that way because there is no equivalent measure of force using troy or any other ounce. Fluid ounce. A fluid ounce is a unit of volume equal to about 28 milliliters in the imperial system or about 30 milliliters in the US system. The fluid ounce is sometimes referred to simply as an ounce in applications where its use is implicit. The imperial fluid ounce is also equivalent to the volume occupied by 1 imperial ounce of water weighed in air at 62 degree Fahrenheit. Other uses: fabric weight. Ounces are also used to express the weight, or more accurately the areal density, of a textile fabric in North America, Asia or the UK, as in 16 ounces denim. The number refers to the weight in ounces of a given amount of fabric, either a yard of a given width, or a square yard. Notes and references. External links: Dictionary of Units, ounce.